This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and Insta360 says it's the action camera that can finally outperform GoPro where it matters most. Bigger sensor, Leica optics, stunning 8K video. Sounds impressive, but here's the thing. Specs don't always tell the whole story. After spending real time with this camera, I found a few surprises that completely changed my opinion. So, is this actually the best action camera you can buy? Or is it just another spec sheet champion? Let's find out. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is Insta360's flagship action camera, released in October 2026. It's co-engineered with Leica and designed for creators who want high-end image quality without carrying a bulky camera. Whether you're a traveler, cyclist, skier, vlogger, or someone documenting everyday adventures, this camera is clearly built with you in mind. Its biggest selling point is combining a large 1.3-inch image sensor, 8K recording, and a unique flip-up touchscreen into one rugged package. Instead of simply copying GoPro or DJI, Insta360 takes a different approach. And honestly, that's what makes this camera so interesting. Reviewers consistently praised its image quality, low light performance, and flexible design. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? This is where the Ace Pro 2 starts to justify its premium price. I used it for everything, from walking around town to biking, handheld vlogging, and recording fast-moving scenes. The camera feels incredibly responsive. Menus load quickly. Recording starts almost instantly, and switching between shooting modes is noticeably faster than many older action cameras. Video quality is excellent. The large sensor captures noticeably more detail, especially when the sun starts going down. Instead of grainy footage that falls apart at sunset, you still get clean, usable video. Stabilization is another highlight. Whether you're running, riding, or filming from a moving vehicle, footage stays impressively smooth without looking overly artificial. One thing I also appreciated was how easy the camera is to operate. The interface is straightforward, and even if you've never used an Insta360 camera before, you'll probably feel comfortable within minutes. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features. First is the 8K video recording. Sure, not everyone edits in 8K today, but the extra resolution gives you much more flexibility to crop, stabilize, or zoom into footage without sacrificing quality. Second is the flip-up touchscreen. This might sound like a small feature, but it's genuinely one of the biggest reasons to consider this camera. If you're filming yourself, you can frame your shot perfectly without guessing. That's incredibly useful for vloggers, solo travelers, and YouTube creators. Third is the Leica-engineered lens and large sensor. These work together to deliver better colors, sharper images, and noticeably stronger low-light performance compared to many traditional action cameras. Finally, Insta360 packs in plenty of smart software features, including AI-assisted shooting modes, pure video for darker scenes, gesture controls, and multiple creative recording modes. These aren't just gimmicks. They actually make creating content quicker and more enjoyable. Design and build. Aesthetically, Insta360 did a fantastic job. The Ace Pro 2 feels solid, premium, and built for adventure. The textured body provides a secure grip even with wet hands, while the larger buttons are easy to use with gloves. The flip-up display immediately stands out because it solves one of the biggest frustrations of action cameras, framing yourself accurately. That said, the camera is slightly larger and heavier than the GoPro Hero lineup or DJI Osmo Action series. It's not a deal breaker, but if you want the smallest possible action camera, you'll definitely notice the difference. Fortunately, reviewers also found the durability improved over the original model. Battery life and camera performance. Battery life is generally solid for an action camera. You can comfortably capture several hours of mixed shooting throughout the day, although recording long sessions in 8K naturally drains the battery faster. If you're planning an all-day adventure, carrying a spare battery is definitely a smart idea. As for image quality, this is arguably where the Ace Pro 2 shines brightest. Colors are vibrant, without looking overly artificial. Dynamic range is impressive, and low-light footage is among the best you'll find in this category. Pros. Excellent 8K image quality with impressive detail, smooth stabilization, and responsive performance. Easy-to-use interface with genuinely useful AI features. Cons: slightly larger and heavier than rivals. No built-in internal storage, so you'll need a micro SD card.